friends, my name is Yeswell and I am coming from Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School in Sivanga. Today I am going to talk about animal's nervous system. The nervous system is the part of an animal body that coordinates its behavior and transmits signals between different body areas. In vertebrates, it contains of two main parts called the central nervous system CNS and the peripheral nervous system PNS. The CNS contains the brain and spinal cord. Thank you.
I am Atesh. I am studying grade 10 at Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School at Sivagangai. Now I am going to tell what is natural resources and types of natural resources. First, let's see what is natural resources. Anything in the environment which can be used is natural resources. And next we see about types of natural resources. There are two types of natural resources: accessible resources and inaccessible resources. First, let's see about inaccessible resources. Inaccessible resources means these resources are plenty and these resources cannot be accessed by man's consumption. Like example, sand, clay. And next we see about accessible resources. Accessible resources are limited resources and it will be accessed over a period of time. Example, coal and petroleum. And that's it. We seen about types of resources and what is natural resources. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is S. Velan. I am studying in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School in Sivangai. I am going to talk about heterotrophic nutrition. Each organism is adapted to the environment. The form of nutrition differs depending on the type of availability of food material as well as how it's obtained by the nutrition. Whether the food source is stationary such as grass and mobile such as animals would allow for distance in how the food assessed. And what is nutritive? Appears used to cow and lion. It is the meaning of nutritive. There is range of strategies by break down the food material out of the body, then observe it. Examples: fungi and bread mold. These are the example of nutritive. Thank you.
I am L. Matheswaran. I am studying grade 10 at Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School at Sivagangai. Now I am going to tell about 5R principle. What are the 5R's means? Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover and refuse. First let's see about reduce. Reduce means we need to reduce using of a resource, like save electricity, save water, like that. Reuse means using the same thing again and again. Example, we can use the plastic things again and again because it is not it will not be able to recycle again. Recycle means making a new product in a waste material. Like we can recycle a paper again and again. And recover or repurpose is using a waste material for different purpose. Like we can make a water bottle into a pen stand or a brush stand. And at last, refuse means we should not use plastic bags. And that's it. We seen the 5R principle.
Hi friends, I am Gaushik from grade 10 in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School in Sivagangai. Now I am going to say what is food chain. Food chain is the system where a small animals is food for large animals, which in turn food for an even large animal is called food chain. For example, flies is eaten by the frog, frog is eaten by the snake, snake is eaten by the eagle. Next, tree is eaten by the deer, deer is eaten by the lion. Thank you. Bye.